Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Photomath app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You click on apps, you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Photomath app. You just click here on search. So then here at Photomath, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to next step here, click on first stop. So then you click on OK. So then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage this here, you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here. You click here on Play Store. So then here you search for Photomath. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.